Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. Today I have another review for you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that I've posted several pictures of some lovely reproduction 1940s shoes from Memery Shoes. If you haven't heard of this company before, it is run by the lovely Mette, and she has a little vintage store as well, which I will link below if you guys want to check it out, or if you're over in Denmark, you could go and visit her personally. But a little background into this brand is that Mette was running her vintage store and she, like many of us, found that she had trouble finding real vintage or true vintage shoes that fit her or reproduction shoes that seemed authentic. So she makes her own really beautiful reproduction 1940s shoes. Recently, one of my lovely followers, Miss Emma Francis, sent me a message letting me know that Mette had released a vegan pair of shoes. So I was obviously very excited about that. As you know, I'm always keeping my eye out for beautiful reproduction items that are vegan. Shoes is very difficult. Some of the most beautiful brands, unfortunately, are leather because they're trying to be authentic, but obviously I don't want to buy new leather items. I don't have a problem if it's secondhand, like if they're true vintage shoes, I'll buy leather because I don't want to be wasteful and I think that it's good for the environment to upcycle and recycle. But if I'm going to buy new products, I would like them to be vegan products. So enter Memery Shoes. I'm just going to show you the shoes because they are heavenly. Aren't they beautiful? They're like a really authentic suede style 1940s lace up pump brogues. No, I think brogues have to have the like the certain front on them. So I will insert the proper name of the shoe here. But it is really beautiful. You would never know, looking closely at it, you would never know that it is not leather. It has got a smooth sole in case you want to use it for dancing. And it is a perforated toe. I don't know if you can see because they're black. It's a little bit hard to see in this lighting perhaps. And they have a lovely velvet lace on them. Of course, whenever it comes to a vegan shoe, we do tend to wonder whether or not it is going to be comfortable because, let's face it, sometimes the materials used in vegan shoes are really stiff and they do cause blisters and pinching. I personally have been wearing these for the last 2 days straight and I haven't had any pinching or blistering, so that is good. I will say my feet fit really well into true vintage shoes and they tend to be very, very narrow. So my foot is very slender. I mean, you can see from the shoe that it is a very slender build because it is a very authentic reproduction. So it is quite narrow and the heel is quite narrow. So if you find that the backs of shoes pinch your heels or rub because the shoe is narrow and you've got a wide foot, you may struggle a little with these. But it is worth trying them out and seeing what you think. But for me, these fit really beautifully and the heel height is really great because I walked in them all day the other day and I didn't find that I got a sore ball joint or a sore heel. So that makes these really wearable, particularly with dresses and stuff that I want to go out in on a more of a daily basis, but I don't wear because I feel like I have to pair them with heels and then I don't want to be wandering around in heels all day. So this has been my little savey heels. I wore it the other day in a picture that I put on Instagram. I'll pop it up here for you so you can see what the shoes look like on, because I'm not going to model them in this video. I'm struggling with light today, so if I have to reposition the camera, it's just going to get too difficult. So this is what they look like on. I'm really, really pleased with them so far. They do only come in one color in the vegan, so I'm hoping that maybe in the future Memery Shoes is going to release some in other colors and styles, but for now, like a standard black 1940s shoe, like I'm very happy with that, and these are going to get a lot of wear out of me. They're going to go with so many of my authentic pieces, my authentic true vintage pieces, because Mette designed them to go with authentic vintage. She wants them to replace the shoes that don't fit her that are true vintage. So that is a really nice point about these, is they do really look like the real deal when you wear them with a true vintage piece. So you can order the shoes online, guys. Mine were posted to me, so if you want to order them from Mette, make sure you go and check out her website, have a look at her other items. As I say, I encourage you to get vegan shoes, but she doesn't just sell vegan shoes. You can go and check out what else she has to offer if that's your jam. And you'll see many more photos of me wearing these shoes cropping up on Instagram because I can see myself wearing them a lot. The really nice thing about them too is they did come with replacement heels, like the little bit that goes in the bottom, so if you do wear them a lot, that will replace them. If you buy them, they do come with a clear film on the bottom, which I didn't know about. Mette luckily messaged me and told me that I needed to take that off, so hence why, despite wearing them for 2 days, they've got lovely clean soles because I had the plastic on the bottom of them. So now it's like I have them new all over again. They also come with replacement laces, which I think is really great because it does mean that I can replace them with the lace that was designed to go with the shoe rather than getting like crappy laces that I don't think go with it because I just need something to put in there. So all in all, very pleased with these. All the links to Memery Shoes are down below. Any questions, you can always message Mette on Instagram. She is a sweetie pie and I'm sure she'll answer any questions that you have. And once again, she is a small business, so I really love supporting small businesses. I think it's much better for the environment and it's just really nice, especially to support business women. I know not all of us in the vintage community are women, but there's a lot of women in the community and I think it's really wonderful to support other women. Build other women up rather than bring them down, I say. Go and visit Memery Shoes, see what you think. Let Mette know what you think of her shoes, and please leave any comments down below if you've bought a pair of shoes or if you're thinking of buying them. Let's have a chat in the comments as usual. I'm always hanging around down there ready to answer your questions or just generally have a chin wag. So that's the video, guys. I hope you love the shoes as much as I do. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe and click that little notification bell so you know when my videos come out. That's 10 AM London time every Thursday now. And if you want to come join the Vintage Tips and Tricks Facebook group, you can. Follow me on Instagram at Miss B-Town, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.